Boost your Hostinger email security with a quick and easy password reset right from your control panel, and keep your inbox safe from unwanted eyes. First, head over to accountthestinger.com. You'll need your current Hostinger account email and password to log in securely. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the email option in the left-hand menu. This will take you to your email management section. Now, find the specific email account whose password you want to change. Click on the Manage or Details button next to it to access its specific settings. On this page, you'll see a section dedicated to managing your password. Look for the Change Password option and click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter your current email password first, then enter your new, strong password in the New Password field. Make sure it's a good one. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is ideal for strong security. Finally, re-enter your new password in the Confirm New Password field to ensure you've typed it correctly. Once you're sure, click the Save or Update Password button. And that's it. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know your Hostinger email password has been successfully updated. Remember, regularly updating your password is a crucial step in keeping your online communications safe and secure.